Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic, Quality System Record. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first Executive Series video that you've seen, please go back and review the introduction. Check out the video description below for links to any supporting information and an outline of the material. In each Executive Series video, we have a standard agenda, which contains 4 items. You can see those 4 items in the progress bar below. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get the 3 bonus questions. Our Quality System Record, comes directly from 820.186. There is no Quality System Record requirement in ISO 1345 because it's covered by the general records requirement, which is in section 4.2.5. Quality System Record in 5 words. Proof you followed non-product procedures. We have to maintain evidence that we followed all of our quality system procedures. Some of those quality system procedures are product related and some of them are not. The records produced from the non-product related quality system procedures, these the FDA has identified as quality system records. The records must be maintained according to your record retention schedule. The most common quality system records come from management review, quality audit, quality systems itself. You can throw document control in there as well, training, and there may be a few others. But these are non-product related records that are generated when we do the general quality system processes. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, we have records to show that we followed our general quality system procedures. And second, we're able to produce those records during quality audits or investigations. How do I know this is not working? First, our quality system procedures themselves, they do not define where the records are stored, how they are stored, and how we go get them or how we retrieve those records for audits and investigations. And then second, quality system records, they are either damaged, they are lost, or we just can't produce them during an audit. Now for those 3 bonus questions. Where are the quality audit records stored? Where are the management review records stored? Where are the training records stored? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.